paired with Galfer's lines and the wave rotors as a braking combination. See how this works for us? And again, it's the first day out on the GSXR. For me, riding it at pace, so we're dialing this thing in. We're done with chassis work and suspension work. We've got a baseline where we want it. Now we've got to work on the rest of the bike. The one thing with stainless lines is when the fluid gets hot, compared to rubber lines, there's no expansion. So feel, as temperature increases, generally stays very linear. So if you're racing or doing track days, the feel on the lever shouldn't fade away. So pressure should always give you the same net result in braking force. With the wave rotor design, with the wave pattern offset one side to the other so they don't match, and the channels machine into the rotors, dissipates heat much faster. So that, as an engineering purpose, obviously you want to get rid of as much brake heat as you possibly can so that everything can cool down. So if that's the case, make life a lot easier all the way around, especially in terms of feel on the lever. So that's the end of our warm-up lap. Now let's put 3 laps in and see how with heat, how much things progress and change, and then how much I need to deal with the lever as we move along. Got the 1375 pads in the front, so good feel, very light pressure on the lever for trail braking. Yeah, no problems there at all. Nice and light on the lever to set entry into 3. Solid pressure coming up on 4 to 5. Release the brakes. Gentle touch of the brakes in. You can. The beauty of steel lines is you can just feel on the pressure just how much force you need to actually set your entry speed rather than clamping the line hard with rubber because it expands. A lot of braking for 9. Off early, stabilize the chassis. A lot of braking uphill into 10. Off early. Accelerate to 11. Hard straight line braking. Flick it. No problem there in terms of feel. Now let's pick it up on trail braking. Braking into the corner, set our entry speed, let it go. Nice. No trail braking for turn 1. Set your entry speed early, we're going uphill. So we need to be on the gas, but plenty of trail braking into turn 2. Right there, get into the middle of the corner, there's the black square. Now bring it back in. Where's our orange dot? There it is. Send it up. Light braking, good feel. Shut the throttle, load the front, flick it back on the gas. Heavy braking for 5. Very short duration. Over the top to 6. Same again, light braking, set our entry speed so we can get into our turning point. There's our apex, go. No braking for 8, just breathe it so the front's weighted. Off the brakes early for 9. To 10, heavy uphill braking, good feel on the lever. Let it go. Nice solid braking. You can just feel how much pressure you need on the lever. And you can regulate it really nicely. Again, trailing into 14, let it go. Perfect, nice and smooth. There it is, apex right there, go. Use all the drag. Some nasty high-speed bumps there that really make the front end soar back and forth. You just gotta relax, let the bike do its thing. Set entry speed, let it go, chassis stabilizer. Jump it, load, flick, go. Set our entry speed again. Back on the throttle early, stabilize the bike, drive. Again, just breathe in the front end to load it. Lots of braking for 9, off early. That's good. Let go for 10, drive to 11. Up high, park it, go. Let's try some hard braking now. Get into it a little more. Got traffic to contend with, so braking markers will change. Getting through this traffic. So will our lines, for that matter. Nice 2-for-1 pass. There's Ross. Bring it back underneath. Taking a tight line, so that gives us an easy pass. However, that means trail braking for 3 because we're leaning and turning. No problems. Lots and lots of feel on the lever. Brakes have tons of bite. So the pressure and the finesse using the Arcasado Master with the Galfer lines and Wave rotors together gives you so much braking control and feel. What does that do? Well, that means you can minimize the amount of brake you need to maximize your corner entry speed and therefore your mid-corner speed. If you can maximize that, then the good part of that is you can decrease lap times pretty substantially. So there you go. A few laps with the Galfer combination and Akasada Master, Galfer lines, and Galfer wave rotors. What a combination. Let everybody else have fun, get off the track. Great session. That gives me a lot of confidence in the brakes, because I used to, with rubber lines, have to manage pressure. Here, with this setup, you manage feel. And that's the beauty of having an engineered system built for this level of performance. It really helps you become a much better rider. Gives you much more subtlety. Whew! Lunchtime.